Yo, what is up, guys? It is your boy Splashman, aka Parikchhit. How you guys doing? Today's video is going to be dope because I'm going to teach you how you can get return customers for your dropshipping or Shopify store. So when it comes to dropshipping, one of the biggest things that people do not think about is getting that return customer. Everyone is focused on getting that initial customer, using targeting cold traffic on Facebook or Instagram influencers and just getting that sale. And once they get that sale, they don't do anything to get that customer to buy again from them. And I understand, it's hard for people to be return customers, especially when you're doing drop shipping because of the big shipping time and the quality. However, it's all about positioning and creating a brand at the end of the day. And if you can do that effectively, you will get return customers. First of all, why are return customers so important? As you guys know, it's easier to sell to someone that's already bought from you. If they bought from you the first time, that means that they know, like, and trust you. So you have to leverage that to get the return customer. And especially when you have return customers, the margins are better because you didn't spend any money on ads to get that sale. You've already spent the money on ad or whatever from the last time, right? So you getting that return customer, the margins are better, and overall you know that you'll still make sales and you don't have to always rely on targeting cold traffic or targeting people that do not know you to get that initial sale. So how do you go ahead and get sales from customers that have already bought from you, from your store, especially when it comes to drop shipping? So when it comes to drop shipping, it's a bit harder, as I pointed out before, to get that return customer, especially because of the high shipping time and and just bad customer service and bad branding. If I was someone that bought from a drop shipping store and didn't have good customer service and the shipping time was horrible and also the product came in but the quality wasn't the best, I'm 100% sure that I'll never buy from you again, and I'll probably tell all my friends to never buy from you again, right? So that's something you just can't fight as a drop shipper. As a drop shipper, you're gonna have to accept that majority of the customers are not gonna buy from you again just because you did a shitty job at building a brand. And of course, the products you sourced it from China, so I can't blame you. But overall, you did a shitty job not positioning yourself better and just bad branding overall. To circumvent this problem, what you really have to do is have a back-end system where you're positioning your brand as an authority and you're basically making sure that your customers are taken care of. So let me give you guys a quick example. So right when a customer orders an item from you, what you're gonna have to do is have a sequences of messages, emails, whatever, right, being sent out to that person, answering all their questions. Because what tends to happen after someone buys is they have this thing called buyer's remorse. So buyer's remorse is when you buy something from a store and you kind of like just regret it. And I've had that moment when I bought like a new laptop, or especially when it's a high purchase, you kind of go like, should I have really bought that, right? So when I bought my watch, which I returned, by the way, because of buyer's remorse, right, that's all that came into my head. I was like, all right, I bought this watch, but I'm like, is it the best for the price? Should I do that? And that is why you're gonna have to send out a sequences of messages or emails regarding that, regarding all the questions that or objections that your customer might be going through in their head. So some of the main ones would be shipping, tracking code, and if you have been doing drop shipping for a while, you will know the rest of it, so you can position yourself better and answer the questions in the emails through that. But not only that, it's cool that your customers are taken care of and they know that item's gonna come in 2 weeks or whatever. But what you need to also understand is that you gotta make money at the end of the day to run your business. So how do you get that repeat customer to buy from you again? And as I said before, it's all about positioning. So you're gonna have to set up your post-purchase in a way, or your post-purchase automated sequences in a way where you provide them with a huge discount or something big after they buy, so they buy from you again, right? At the end of the day, you can still convert someone that bought from you but didn't have a good experience if your positioning is right. So in some of these emails, what I do is I provide them with a coupon, big coupon code, especially like right away. Sometimes I do it right away, or sometimes I do it after they receive their product, depending on the store. What I do is I give them a huge coupon code that they can't just turn down. And because of this, they tend to buy again, especially because they haven't had that buyer's remorse phase in their head yet, or they're still excited that they just spent money on your store. So they're like, you know what, might as well spend some more money on your store, because you know the know, like, and trust factor, it's still there at this moment. So they're like, all right, if they're giving me a big discount code, let me just go ahead, use this, and make some money, right? So having a post-purchase sequence, whether it be through an app or emails or messages or whatever your backend system is, it's so important because it will guarantee that you will get return customers no matter what. And at the end of the day, guys, you want to squeeze out as much money from your customers as possible in an ethical way. You're not trying to really scam them, but in an ethical way, you're trying to get them to buy as much from you as possible. So having these back-end systems set up once they buy from you is so important. Most people, they don't have anything like that. I remember there was an app, I think it was called Conversio, that did something like that, but it was just one email. With a proper post-purchase flow, you're going to have multiple emails, maybe more than 10, you know, maybe even 20. It depends. But at the end of the day, if you're not utilizing email marketing for your store, you are missing out on one of the main things in this world, which is creating a very profitable back-end system. And overall, you're losing money. You're spending way too much money acquiring a customer when you can just be getting this sale from a customer that's already bought from you. And overall, man, you don't know what you're doing. So this is why I always preach to do email marketing and set up sequences, especially when it comes to post-purchase, because that is a very profitable automated sequences overall. And if you guys want to learn more about how to set up these flows and how to go ahead and do email marketing for your e-commerce store, what I actually did is, I came up with a program. It's not out yet, but what you can do is in the description or in the comments, there's a place where you can sign up for the VIP notification list, where you will be the first one to get notified once the course drops, and you will get access to bonuses, exclusive discounts, and all these other dope stuff that people that are not in the list will not get. So definitely go ahead and join that, and you will not regret it. Trust me, guys, this program I'm working on, I have a lot of guests that are working on it. I've been working on it for the past couple of weeks, and I've just been putting so much effort because I want to make sure that this is one of the best courses out there when it comes to email marketing. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your guys' support. Every time I get a message or a comment saying your videos have helped a lot, it really just means a lot to me, and this is why I make videos, right? I want to help a lot of people out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Join the VIP email list. My Instagram is @splashmanpb, and I'll catch you guys later. Hope you guys learned something. If you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comments, in my Facebook group, or my DMs. So all right, so I'll catch you guys later. Have a great day. Enjoy your time. Make that money, and let's create this wealth, guys.